What's the meaning of bravo? Bravo. Bravo.
Bravo. Bravo. Bravo is an Italian and Spanish word that is used as a congratulatory exclamation to express admiration or approval for someone's achievement or performance. It is commonly used in various fields, including sports, entertainment, and the military. When someone exclaims bravo, it is a way of acknowledging and praising the success or accomplishment of an individual or group. The word has a positive connotation and is often associated with excellence. It is a simple yet effective way of showing appreciation for someone's hard work and dedication, and it can inspire others to strive for their own successes. In short, bravo is a form of encouragement and recognition that motivates individuals to achieve their goals.